A and B each have a certain number of marbles. A says to B, if you give 30 to me, I will have twice as many as left with you. B replies, if you give me 10, I will have thrice as many as left with you. How many marbles does each have? Let us do this. Let A have X marbles and B have Y marbles. That is, the number of marbles A has Bx and the number of marbles B has By. So according to the first condition, the first condition is A says to B, if you give 30 to me, I will have twice as many as left with you. So that is, if B gives 30 marbles to A, then number of marbles with A will be, to this X, 30 will be added, and number of marbles with B, 30 will be reduced. So let us frame the equation. This is x plus 30 and y minus 30. So A says to B, if you give 30 to me, so number of marbles with A is 30, then I will have twice as many as left with you. So this equals twice of y minus 30. So let us solve this. So this is the first equation. Now let's see what is the second condition. B replies, if you give me 10. So that is, if A gives 10 marbles to B, then number of marbles with A will be x minus 10 and number of marbles with B will be y plus 10. So if you give me 10, I will have thrice as many as left with you. So let us frame the equation. This is the number of marbles with A and this is the number of marbles with B. If A gives 10 marbles to B, then the equation will be three times of x minus 10 equals y plus 10. So this is the second equation obtained. Now solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously to get the value of x and y, which will be the number of marbles with A and B respectively. The first equation obtained is x minus 2y equals minus 90. And the second equation is 3x minus y equals 40. So what we can do is, if x is to be eliminated, multiply equation 1 by 3. So if you multiply equation 1 by 3, the equation becomes and equation 2 as it is, or multiply by 1, it will be the same. Now subtract these two equations. So this is minus 5y equals minus 310. So y equals 62. Now substitute y equals 62 in equation 1 or 2. Let's take the second equation. Three x equals 102 and x equals 34. So A has 34 marbles and B has 62 marbles.